How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the 9Xtream app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is you'll need to use the Downloader app on your Firestick, which you can get totally free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your Firestick, open the search bar, and start typing in Downloader. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on Downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, you have to go to Settings. So click on that button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and now in here you need to turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. So open them, make sure to open the installation of unknown apps next. And now from here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now what we're going to do is go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick, we open it, and here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally we'll use Downloader safely. So we go back straight to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader and open it. And now just open the search bar, which you can see on the screen, and start typing in the code, which will be 265427. So once again, 265427, that is the code we have to enter, and click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started, so just wait a bit. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And then you have to click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick device. And after it's installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, which is right here, you open it, and here's the 9Xtream app which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.